Capital budgeting, question number one. Capital budgeting is long term planning for making and financing proposed capital outlay. It is defined by option A. Charles D. Green, option B. A.R. Anthony, option C. Gustenberg, option D. Dr. Coley. Answer Charles T. Green. Question number 2. Capital budgeting is also known as DAS. Option A. Investment decision making. Option B. Capital expenditure decision. Option C. Planning capital expenditure. Option D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. Question number 3. Capital expenditure are considered the base for capital budgeting. State that the statement is true or false. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer true. Question number 4. Capital expenditure is 1. Which is intended to benefit dash periods. Option A, future period. Option B, short term. Option C, current period. Option D, none of these. Answer future period. Question number 5. Capital investment is not necessarily an investment in tangible asset. Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. Answer correct. Question number 6. The working capital realized on the end of a project is not cash inflow of the final year. Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. Answer B, incorrect. Number 7. Depreciation of fixed assets is included in cost in computing discounted cash flow. Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. Answer incorrect. Question number 8. Cost of investment in the new plant is cost of new plant dash the new net sale proceeds of the old plant. Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. Answer correct. Question number 9. The capital budgeting generally refers to acquiring input with long run returns. Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. Answer correct. Question number 10. Payback period method is also called as dash. Option A, payout method. Option B, pay off method. Option C, buyback method. Option D, all of these. Answer all of these. Question number 11. Economic life of a plant is 8 years and its cost are rupees 5 lakh. Annual saving a cash inflow is rupees 1 lakh. Hence, post payback profit would be dash. Option A, 2,50,000. Option B, 4,50,000. Option C, 3 lakh. Option D, 2 lakh. Answer 3 lakh. Number 12. A plant would cost rupees 50,000 and would fetch rupees 10,000 in first year, rupees 20,000 in second year, rupees 20,000 in third year. Hence, payback period would be dash. Option A 3 years, option B 4 years, option C 2 years, option D 1 year. ஸோ 50,000 வந்து இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. அதாவது ஃபஸ்ட் இயரில் வந்து 10,000, செகண்ட் இயர் தேர்ட் இயரில் 20,000 இருக்குது. இது எத்தனை வருஷத்தில் அந்த இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் எடுக்கிறாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் இப்போ இதை கேட்குறாங்க. சார் 3 இயர்ஸ் போட்ட இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்டை 3 வருஷத்தில் எடுத்துடுறோம். Question number 13. Total cash flow after tax before depreciation for 5 years are rupees 45,800 and total depreciation amount to rupees 32,000. Initial investment is rupees 30,000. Thus, average rate of return would be dash. Option A 18%, option B 18.2%, option C 18.4%, option D 18.5%. Answer 18.4%. Question number 14. Working capital is difference between current assets and dash. Option A current liability, option B fixed assets, option C tangible assets, option D goodwill. Answer current liability. Question number 15. Which of the following is not current assets? Stock, option A. Option B bills receivable. Option C debtors. Option D goodwill. Answer goodwill. Question number 16. The gross working capital concept is based on going concern concept. Option A correct, option B incorrect. Answer correct. Number 17. Net working capital equal to dash current liabilities. Option A current assets, option B fixed assets, option C stock, option D bills receivable. Answer current liabilities. Number 18. Current assets is rupees 20,000 and current liability is rupees 15,000. Working capital would be dash. Option A 5,000, option B 35,000, option C 10,000, option D 40,000. Answer current assets minus current liability 5,000. Question number 19. Which is long-term source of working capital? Option A issue of share, option B floating of debenture, option C loan, option D depreciation. Answer depreciation. Question number 20. Depreciation charges do not involve any cash outflow. Option A true, option B false. Answer true.